Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn to use the Puppeteer MCP server using Claude step by step. So let's begin. Puppeteer is basically used for the automation testing purposes, and if you go to the model context protocol and go to the servers which are archived, but here you can go and see that a model context protocol server that provides browser automation capabilities using Puppeteer. Now, this server enables LLMs to interact with the web pages, take a screenshot, and execute JavaScript in the real browser environment. Now, in order to use this one, you need to go down and you need to copy this NPX configuration, and we will use this in our Claude. But before that, if you scroll up here, so you can see that it provides the tools, and we have Puppeteer Navigate. So navigate to any URL in the browser. Puppeteer Screenshot. So capture the screenshots of the entire page or the specific elements. Then Puppeteer Click. Click elements on the web page. Puppeteer Hover. Hover elements on the page. Then fill out the input fields. Then Puppeteer Select. Select an element with the select tag. Then we have Puppeteer underscore evaluate, so execute JavaScript in the browser console. Now, the key features are basically the browser automation, console log monitoring, screenshot capabilities, JavaScript execution, basic web interactions like navigation, clicking, form filling. Okay. And if you scroll down, if we are using the VS Code, so simply click on this one. If we are using VS Code with the Docker, click on this one. Okay. But for this particular tutorial, I am using the Claude. So simply I need to copy this one from here. Now here you see that this is the NPX command. So you need to ensure that your system should have Node installed. Okay. If not, so what you need to do is that you need to go here and type download NodeJS, and here click on this one, click on this one, and here you can simply go down here. So if you don't find this one here, simply again go back and say Node.js. So Node.js download, and so this is the first link. Click on this one, and here from here you can download and install this one. Once you are done with this thing, simply go to your command prompt and type node dash dash version. If you see the version, this means that Node is installed and working absolutely fine. Simply you can also check with NPX or NPM dash dash version. So if you see this version, this means that Node is working properly. Okay, so once you have done this one, then we need to go to the Claude, and here you need to go to the settings. Go to the settings and go to the developer section and add that configuration over here. So simply click on added configuration. So this is the configuration file. Let me open this one for you. So you simply need to paste this one, save this one, and close this one. After that, you need to exit the Claude and reopen the Claude again. Okay. And once you're back, simply start a new chat. And before giving a prompt, simply click on this search and tools, and you see the Puppeteer over here. Click on this arrow one. Here you see that we are getting all these tools. So simply what I'll say, write open browser and navigate to Orange HRM demo website, provide username and password, and click on login button. So simply a very basic prompt, press enter, and you will see that it will actually utilize these Puppeteer tools. You see that Puppeteer Navigate, so it opened up the browser, navigating to Orange HRM demo website, and here you see that it's navigating to this request, navigated to this website. Now let me take a screenshot to see the current state of the page, and here you see that it taking the screenshot of the current page, and it observed that there's a username called as admin, password as admin123, and filling this information in the field by locating automatically the username password fields, and then finally clicking on this one. And excellent, I have successfully completed the login process. Here's what I have done. So navigate to this website, identify the demo credentials, fill this form, and successfully log into this Orange HRM. And now we can see that the browser should be on the Orange HRM dashboard. So if I go here, so you see that it successfully logged in into the Orange HRM demo website. Now what I do is that simply we say write automation, write Puppeteer automation script, Puppeteer automation testing script based on above steps. Now press enter. So now it will generate the script. You will see that shortly. So it's working on writing the code which is compatible, and in terms of we are asking especially for the Puppeteer. So it will generate the Puppeteer script, and you can also generate the Selenium script. We are working on Selenium, but here we are looking into the Puppeteer, so it will generate the Puppeteer script for us. So it's working, and once it will generate, we will see the output over on the right side. So currently it's working, so we need to wait for some time for it to generate the script for the above steps. You see that it has processed this one, so it uses the Mocha testing framework, and here you see that it requires Puppeteer, assert, and we have some Puppeteer script over here, right? So whatever the steps we have performed, it should redirect to the dashboard. So everything is done here, and you can just copy and paste this one and run this one. Simply install the dependencies, NPM install Puppeteer Mocha, then create screenshot directory, run the test using NPX Mocha, Orange HRM test-js, timeout this. For continuous indication, we can use these particular headless options. So basically, in this way, you can use the Puppeteer MCP server and you can generate the scripts using the Claude.